Evil versus Chef Wasteful. Let's go to Ronald Morgan live via satellite at Lake Mary Prep in Lake Mary, Florida.
I'm Morgan, and I'm reporting at Lake Mary Prep where an evil chef is accused of wasting instead of recycling. Joining me is the principal, Mrs. Greed. Mrs. Greed, what is going on here today?
I hired the chef because he was a good cook. Our second grade class is studying biodiversity, and they brought these charges against the chef because they felt that his actions were damaging the environment.
Let's go to Ferd Earthlove, who is standing by with the chef.
I'm standing by live with Chef Wasteful. Chef, how do you answer these charges? What's the big deal about wasting? The students think it's a very big deal. We'll see about that in court.
Order in the court. Let's begin the trial. Case number 1, the people versus Chef Wasteful. The prosecution may begin. Yvonne Reduce, you may begin.
Today we will prove to you that the actions of the evil chef are terrible effects on biodiversity. I'd like to call my first witness, second grader Tara Tyree. Miss Tyree, can you explain the wrongdoings of the chef? I saw the chef threw out cans without recycling them. Are you sure they were recyclable? Yes, aluminum cans are recycled and used for many different purposes. Most communities have regular recyclable pickups, but the chef threw the cans into the trash. We also have water bottles and milk cartons that can also be recycled. How is this damaging biodiversity? If landfills overflow with trash, it can be damaging to animal habitats. Thank you, Miss Tyree. I'd like to call my next witness, Greg Heflin. Thanks for joining us, Mrs. Heflin. We counted 70 styrofoam trays are thrown into the trash every day. When we collected how many are thrown away in the school year, their number adds up to 12,600 trays. That's a lot of trash. That sure is a lot of trash. I pack my lunch every day and use recyclable containers. I pack no waste lunch and reduce the amount of trash I put into the trash can. Thank you. You may step down. I'd like to call my next witness, Abigail Meadows, second grader. Thank you for joining us, Miss Meadows. I saw the chef throwing away food. This is wasteful. We could use the scraps to make compost pile and then use them to fertilize our garden. That's right. I threw away everything without recycling. Who's gonna stop me?
Order in the court. Is that all from the prosecution?
We rest our case.
Well,
I would like to call Chef Wasteful to the stand.
do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
This chef has done nothing wrong, and he is not evil. I'm going to prove that he is innocent. Chef Wasteful, are you a good cook?
Why, yes, I am. I feed the children wonderful meals every day.
What supplies do you use?
I use all the regular supplies that chefs use. Cans of sauce, bags of vegetables, bottles of water, plastic silverware, and plenty of aluminum foil.
And what do you do with these items when you are finished with them?
Why, I throw them in the trash, of course.
I told you he was guilty.
Objection!
Order in the court.
Chef, did you know that you had no choice instead of throwing things away?
No, I didn't know that those things are recyclable.
Did you know that when you recycle, you are helping protect biodiversity?
Well, now I do.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, please discuss the evidence and let me know if you've reached a decision. Has the jury reached a decision?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please rise. The jury has reached a decision. I hereby find the chef innocent. I honestly did not know how much waste is generated in the cafeteria every day. I think he has learned a lot about being wasteful.
I sure have, Your Honor.
I hereby sentence you to recycle bins in the cafeteria. I also sentence you to spend time in the second grade classroom at your school so that you can learn all about biodiversity and how to preserve it.
Thank you. I will do everything that you asked me to do. I am sorry for my actions in the past, but I promise to do a better job in the future.
There you have it, folks. The judge has made a decision. I am here with Principal Green for his reaction. Principal Green, what did you think about today's hearing?
I am happy with the judge's decision. I will keep an eye on him. He will continue to cook us yummy food and also be responsible about waste. We will help the chef get recycling bins and possibly order some environmental friendly lunch trays, silverware, and napkins.
Thank you, Principal Green. I am Fern Ursula reporting.